Well, hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a review on the Ranger Superior N6 Longhorn Edition. I kind of like the box that they come in. It's just a brown box, no color, but it's just different. Kind of speaks ruggedness, but we're going to tear into the radio here and just see what this is all about. Of course, they advertise 400 plus watts. Of course, we know what it's definitely going to be capable of there. It's also got a high-low switch on the front, as well as variable power control. Sports them white LED counter and channel readout lights. Has a SWR, high SWR protection circuit, which is great. Automatic cooling fans. Variable top back. Has a lot of the same features that the 99N4 has. We're just going to see what we think about it. We'll be back. Okay, we're back here. We got it opened up, and it comes with the Ranger SRA 198 chrome mic, and of course your power cord with your quick disconnect Anderson and fuse. Set this aside. Oh, look at there. We all know what that's for. Look at this massive fan here. Looks much different than the 99N4s and 2970N4s. Just got like a rugged, beefy look to it, Alright, gonna need both hands to get this one out. We'll be back. Okay, there it is. From first glance, it strikes me as kind of like a cross between the 99N4 and a 69 FFB4 because of the buttons here. There's your manual. Set that off to the side. A volume and squelch here. Mic gain, RF gain. Echo adjustments, your time and volume. Variable talkback and a dimmer. AM upper lower side band, FM, CW, and PA. RF power. And your fine clarifier. Looks like here's your up and down bands. And toggle through the bands. A high-low power switch, Roger beep. Toggle between SWR meter reading and signal. And your noise blinker on and off. Alright, let's throw some power to it. Be right back. Before we do, just want to get you a good look at the bottom. So it's got a big, nice, hardy heat sink all the way across the bottom here. The speaker's protected by a metal plate. Very large fan here. It's definitely different. I mean, it's definitely gonna disperse the heat well. We're gonna set it on our stand, which we sell on our site, truckcbsales.com. The link will be in the description. And that fan's gonna be able to pull the air straight through here. Be right back. Alright, we're back. So we're gonna turn it on here for the first time. I like the fine readout digits. That's just something different, it's just different. I like it. Get your band buttons here. We've not converted this over yet. Wow, look at all the bands. A through L. Let's just go ahead and see what kind of output power we have right now. The RF power is wide open. And we are on low power, I believe. Hello, hello, hello. Hello, hello, hello. So we got a 1,000 watt slug in there. It's actually doing about 100 watts there. Yeah, but if you look at average power, it's not moving at all. High power. Key in 125. Hello, hello, hello. Hello, 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 hello. Hello, hello, hello. Doing about 480 PEP on AM and swinging backwards a little bit on average, which we're going to fix that. Try sideband. Hello, 1 2 1 2. Hello, 1 2 3 4 5 5 4 3 2 1. 1 2 3 4 5. Seeing about 450 watts. At the AM there. All right. We'll be right back. We're going to open this up. All right, the cover's been popped. So it looks like, kind of look like the good old RT1s back there. It's running the 691516A board. Okay. So it looks like the clarifier is unlocked from the factory on these. Unless they've done something different. I'll have to look into it further. It appears that it is. Around the 754 regulator over there. Okay. Very low profile selector board, and down here. Let's see what we got here behind the. Let's see where the power's coming from. Let's see if I can do this one-handed real quick. This is not easy. Alright, first look inside. Okay. Alright. They're on the ERF 9530s. And, okay, so that just goes to show you, just because the coil spread doesn't mean it's throwing out harmonics. As you've seen, it was factory. You need a spectrum analyzer to be able to tell where that's supposed to be, you know, if they need spread or not. Come in with them, go out with them a little bit. Okay, alright, well, definitely different. But looking forward to seeing what kind of power we can unlock from this. So we're going to get to it, and we'll be back in a little while. Stay tuned.